Oh my god, I nearly dropped it. Treat yourself to your favorite yummy skin blurring balm powder essential all in one place, or a gift to a friend. I'm not gifting this to anybody. Mine. Let's go back home. My Beautylish order just came in the mail, and god, this came really fast. Like within 5 working days from the US to Singapore. I'm like so impressed and wowed. And basically, there were 2 things that I really wanted from Beautylish, and both of them were from Danessa Myricks. So I guess it's like a mini Danessa Myricks haul kind of thing. You'll see what I get. Just try to be careful here and also like not dox myself. This is so interesting. Packed with Love by, I think this is Judy. The name is Judy here. Thanks, Judy! Oh, this is bubble wrap, real nice. This one I'm like itching for because, guys, I've been getting into like eyeshadow again. So excited to play with this. I actually do own one of Danessa Myricks' first few Lightwork palette, and I don't really use it. I'm so sad, but the colors are so like shifty and fun. But this year's one, this is supposed to be a little bit more neutral, a little bit more wearable. You can take it around. And I think the whole palette system that comes with this, I was like so intrigued by it. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Oh my god, I can't wait to tease my eyeballs with it. Oh my god, I nearly cut myself again. I need to stop doing this because the last time that I did an unboxing live, I actually cut myself. Why can't I open this? Wait, hold on. Okay, let's just open it like that. I like to make things like a bit like way too complicated for unnecessary reasons. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, okay, there's more bubble wrap inside. This is, I'm so ready. Okay, so it comes with a little pouch like this where you can kind of like stack the palettes later, you'll see. Oof. She's pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god, why am I smelling it? Nah, I hope nothing shattered, but okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ooh. There's still another layer of protection inside. Really? Oh my god, I nearly dropped it. Jesus Christ, my heart dropped. My heart dropped. My god, okay, I'm gonna take off the plastic. Wait. Okay. Ooh. Guys. This is nice. Gee, I don't know if it will pick up in... I don't know how the camera will pick this up because everything I'm looking at now is like a little bit grayscale because of the color profile of the camera. But these are nice. These are really, really nice. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is how it looks like. The whole palette. Oh my god. Honestly, I was expecting the palette, you know, pull it out of the box, it's gonna look like this. Maybe with the like, plastic wrapping and all that. But wow, it was really, really heavily protected so well. I think there's like another layer of bubble wrap at the corner over here. I'm like, wow. Okay. Dang. $128 US. I think with tax, including my other item that I've yet to unbox. Let me unbox it in a bit. But total was I think $188 US, which was 244 Singapore dollars. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I was eyeing this palette for the last, like, I don't know, three weeks or so. The shimmer shades, oh, the duochromes. I can't wait to take some pictures in a sexy, like, flat lay. So I'm just like, oh. And if I'm not wrong, you can actually, like, lift up the palettes itself. I'm doing this really carefully because everything is magnetized. So you can just take this and then you can use this part over here. I know I'm gonna nick something in a matter of time. So you have this little like plate over here, and then you can just cap it. It's a mini travel palette, just like this. You can open it like this, and then pop it in. Yeah, that's your travel palette. It's so innovative. Every single shade can be popped out, and then you can create your own custom palette within the Freedom palette over here. I believe last year's is somewhat like similar in nature as well. That one is not available anymore, so it's tentatively is only this one for this year. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to put this on my eyeballs soon. And I guess this was like my one and only like Danessa Myricks palette. This was the Lightwork 3 palette. I don't know, I never really like used this palette that much, but the duochromes, the flips, the multi-chromes, they are so stinking pretty. I actually use the, I think, Strawberry Moon one the most. I know it looks like so boring because they're just like, in the pan it's white, right? But then like when I touch it, oh, this is like frosty, like pink to it, and it's just so wet and reflective. So stinking beautiful. I love it. Very underrated. I can't wait to just play around with both of these, because after I ordered this, I was like, okay, maybe I should pull this out again, because I just never played around with it. So yeah, here's to maybe making a bit more of the Danessa Myricks content. I don't know if you guys saw the box just now, but I did get a little sample set of the blurring balm powder. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy because I actually really wanted to try this, but I decided to not get it because I'm a bit on a tighter budget now. Ironic, because I just spent so much on all of these Danessa Myricks items. But yeah, this was something that I kind of wanted to try, and now that I have the little like sample cut of it, maybe I can try like one. 3.5 might be a bit too dark for me. And then the other one that I got is the Flush Essentials Blush and Lip Kit over here. This one, this is something that I saw, I was like, ooh, for that amount, kind of worth it. Because you get to try so many of her blushes, as well as the, I think the Radiant Balm is something new if I'm not wrong. Oh, these are very beautiful colors. I don't know how these would feel or like look like on Asian skin tones, so I think this is something that I definitely want to experiment with. But basically, you get 4 of the blushes over here, featuring Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder and Universal Radiant in 4 mini sizes of our award-winning Blurring Balm Powder Flush. This all-in-one value pack set includes 5 mini versions of our best-selling shades. Treat yourself to your favorite Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder Essential all in one place, or a gift to a friend. I'm not gifting this to anybody. Mine. So this is the Universal Radiant Balm Powder. Ooh, okay, I can see a bit of oil build-up around the side here. Probably because of the change in temperature and weather from US to Singapore. I'm pretty sure it's because of how hot it is over here. And then we have 4 of the blushes over here. This first one over here is Rose and Bunch. Ooh, this is a pretty like dusty pinky tone over here. This is Spiced Latte. Ooh, oh, this is deep. It's like a deep tone beige brown. Okay, cute, cute, cute. This one we have next is Prima Donna. Prima Donna, girl. Oh, this is bright. This is real bright. I think this on a deeper skin tone will look absolutely beautiful. Ooh. Actually, Prima Donna looks really warm as compared to this next shade over here. This one is It Girl, and it's your baby Barbie pink kind of pink. Oh my gosh, it's really bright too. Jesus. Okay. I'm not sure how this will actually look on Asian skin tone, but hey, I'm here. I want to try it. So yeah, I probably would do a separate video on all of these. So let me know what you're most keen on seeing. I mean, for the blushes over here, I probably will have to do a separate video, and then the Radiant Balm is another video, and then like, oh my god, this big mama, this big hunker, I want to do like so many looks I have in mind with this particular palette. You know, looking at this palette over here, you know what's my favorite shade? It's not a purple, surprisingly enough. It's actually the blue. This blue shade in real life is like out of this world. It's like a blue hue. Frosty blue hue with that deep blue reflex. I'm just so like perplexed by this. On camera it just looks like a blue shimmering shade, as I've seen with a lot of videos, but in real life it looks so different. So I'm just like, this needs to go on my eyeballs soon. Alright, let me know what you want to see from me next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Catch you around. Bye!